In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto-reply in Yahoo Mail. If you're heading out on vacation or just need time away from your inbox, setting an automatic response helps manage expectations and keeps your contacts informed while you're offline. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. From the results, click the official Yahoo Mail link to go to the sign-in page. It's a good habit to check that you're on the legitimate Yahoo site before entering any credentials, especially if you landed there through a search. Sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're in your mailbox, we'll navigate to the settings you need. In the classic view, open the Account Info dropdown near the top of the page, choose Settings, and then click Go. If your layout looks a little different, that's okay. Look for Settings under your profile or the gear icon. The option you need is the same. In the Settings area, find the left-hand menu and select Vacation Response. This is where Yahoo Mail manages automatic replies. You'll see a switch or toggle. Turn it on to enable the feature. Next, specify the date range so your auto-reply starts and stops automatically. Check the box to set dates, then enter your start date and your end date. Choosing an end date ensures your replies stop without you having to come back and change anything. If your schedule isn't certain, you can still set a conservative end date and adjust it later. Now, write the message people will receive when they email you. Keep it clear and helpful. Include when you expect to return and, if appropriate, a general way to get assistance while you're away, such as directing them to a team inbox or help channel. Keep the tone professional and concise so senders immediately understand what to do next. If you want to tailor your response for certain groups, look for the option to send different messages to specific email domains. By checking that box, you can write one message for your organization's domain and another for external senders. This is useful when internal colleagues need more detail, while everyone else gets a simpler, public-facing note. When everything looks good, click Save to activate your auto-reply. From that moment on, Yahoo Mail will automatically send your message to incoming emails during the dates you set. When you're back, just return to this same vacation response area and toggle it off if it hasn't already ended. That's it. Your auto-reply is ready and working.